का कोई दूजा तरी सरप्राइज मदर Selamünaleyküm. Ve aleyküm selam.
Hello?
Hello.
Is this
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, we are calling from Amazon.
Yes, sir.
You have applied for a job, right?
Yes, sir.
And you have cleared 2 rounds also in that.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Where is your residence? I mean, where you reside? You are from Hyderabad or else from other?
No, sir. I'm from Hyderabad near Koti.
Okay. Actually, there is a vacancy. That's why we are calling you.
Okay.
Because like we are selecting the persons who have qualified 2 rounds. That's why there is your name in the list.
Okay.
That's why we call you. Are you willing to join the?
खत्म बाय बाय टाटा गुड बाय गया
Yes, sir.
Okay. What are expecting the salary?
I don't expect any salary because I just want to learn new things. That's it.
Okay.
And I think this platform makes me to learn new things. That's it.
इन छोटे मोटे प्रोग्रामों से कितना कमा लेते हो
Means will you comfortable by working from home? Work from home?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We'll let you know as soon as possible after discussing with our teammates. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. We'll call
नहीं
you
मुझे
in
मजाक
15 or
नहीं
20
उड़वाना
minutes,
अपनी
okay?
चीज का
Yes, sir.
मैं नहीं बताऊंगा
डायरेक्ट अकाउंट हाँ कंक्लूजन में लास्ट में
नाम यही से ना नंबर
हाँ
हाँ कर रहा हूँ
मौजूदगी से ये जिंदगानी पैरों में है जीने का को
Hello?
हेलो
Hello?
हेलो जशवंत बात कर रहे क्या
Yes, sir.
अब तक हमारे वाले ने कॉल किया था ना हमारे टीममेट ने
हाँ सर किया था.
हाँ वही योर क्वालिफिकेशन जशवंत
Graduation, sir. Degree in BCom Computers.
BCom Computers, okay. Which year you passed out?
2020, sir.
2020. Means since 1 year you are trying for a job.
No, sir. Actually, I was in my hometown, so right now I have applied.
No, it is before that, right? Like it is in 2020 June, July, in that time.
Yeah, sir. On that time, one of my friend has, so I have applied on that.
Okay, fine. What is your hobbies, Jashwant?
So I love exploring new places, watching movies based on real life stories, playing outdoor games, and I love traveling to my hometown.
हम मालूम है तेरे बाप को मत सिखा चल
In recently, which movie you watched on the based on life story?
Real life stories, just recently I have been watch any movie, but one of was that Three Idiots.
कौन है ये लोग
Okay.
कहाँ से आते हैं ये?
Okay, Jashwant.
Yes, sir.
And will you able to work the night shift?
Yes, sir.
Means at present there are only because of this pandemic moment no one is
Yes.
coming to offices and they are working from home only. That's why I'm asking you.
Yes, sir.
Are you comfortable with night shifts?
Yes, sir. I'm comfortable with night shift.
कितने तेजस्वी लोग हैं हमारे पास
If
कितने शानदार
after
विचार
this
रखते
pandemic
हैं
moment, if you put it in the night shift, second shift, will you come to office or else like
Yes, sir, I will feel comfortable in that also.
Okay. Okay, fine. आपको like different states में like in Bangalore there is a main office in Bangalore, right? As you
Yes,
know.
sir.
वहाँ अगर आपको in case transfer किया जाएगा, will you go there for the job?
No, sir. If it is in Hyderabad, I will be okay, sir.
Okay, means not now. I'm telling after, because of this pandemic moment, all are working from home only.
Yes, sir.
So after this, in case if there is any opportunity for you to go to Bangalore for your job in this Amazon only, we'll promote you there. Will you go or not? Will you able to?
If possible, I will be, sir.
झूठ बोलो, जो भी बोल सकते हैं सब झूठ बोलो, जहाँ भी बोल सकते हैं झूठ बोलो, जितनी बार बोल सकते हैं झूठ.
In which college you have passed out your graduate?
St. Francis Xavier Degree College
St.
from
Francis.
Osmania University.
Didn't get you. Sorry. Come again.
St. Francis Xavier Degree College, sir.
Okay. How much percentage you got?
7.4, sir.
7.4. Okay. Jashwant, do one thing.
Yeah.
Describe yourself. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, Jashwant, describe yourself. Tell about yourself.
Okay. First of all, good morning, sir. It's my pleasure to introduce myself. My name is Jashwant Rathore. I live in Hyderabad. I have completed my graduation from St. Francis Xavier Degree College in Osmania University in 2020 with 7.4 CGPA.
Okay.
While coming to my family, there are 5 members in my family, including me. My father is a businessman and mother is a housewife. Now coming to me, I'm down to earth, sweet, smart. My hobbies are I love exploring new places, watching movies based on real life stories, reading books, and I love traveling to my hometown, which sounds good. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. Thank you.
तू एक काम कर, तू मुझे फोन कर. ये मेरा सैमसंग का नंबर है, मुझे 4 बजे फोन कर.
No, I'm middle one.
Okay.
One is younger than me and another is elder than me.
Okay. What they
Both
do
are
means
brothers.
like brothers. Okay, fine.
One is in GM company
GM
and
company.
another one is studying in degree, sir.
Degree. Okay. Okay, Jashwant. It is good to talk to you.
Yeah. Me too, sir.
And you said, your father is in your business, right?
Yeah, sir.
Why don't you go in a business suite? Why you chosen this Amazon?
I just need to stand by me, sir, not by my parents.
Okay. You want to be on your legs.
Yeah, sir.
150 रुपया देगा.
At last, Jashwant, I want to ask you one question.
Yes, sir.
Will you able to see yourself after 5 years? Where you will see yourself after 5 years in Amazon company after joining?
So me,
Yeah.
first thing, I'm really excited for this position,
Okay.
and I know that this job will give me that opportunity that I would stand I could complete my goals.
खत्म.
Okay.
बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय, गया.
Okay, Jashwant.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Be in line. I'll transfer my call to the manager. Just speak with him a while, okay? He'll
Okay.
just ask you a few questions. Just answer him, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
ये बड़ी अच्छी बात कही है.
नहीं, मुझे मजाक नहीं उड़वाना अपनी चीज का. मैं नहीं बताऊंगा.
देखा आपने लापरवाही का नतीजा है. शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया मुन्ना.
प्यार था सदके अल्लाह माफ करे, बहुत मनुष्य लग रहे हो, मत करो, रहने दो, बहुत बुरे लग रहे हो। तौबा तौबा तौबा, सारा मूड खराब कर दिया। मैं अकेला गा लेता हूँ।
It's a prank. Hello.
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 Good morning, sir.
Good morning. This is Jashwant.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. I discussed with my co-employee. Just now I spoke with you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. After analyzing all that, sorry to say you, but you are not selected.
Okay, sir.
Don't be disappointed. Better luck next time.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
और ये जस्ट एक प्रैंक कॉल था। ये नंबर आपके फ्रेंड कोमल ने दिया था। सो आप मुर्गा बन चुके, सॉरी मुर्गी बन चुके हो।
हेलो।
Hello.
अगर आप
हेलो।
Hello.
पहचाने नहीं?
नहीं.
कौन हूँ मैं?
Hello.
हेलो।
कौन?
भूल भी गए?
सच में नहीं पहचानी.
अच्छा, एक्चुअली पहचाना भी नको। एक्चुअली तुम्हारी फ्रेंड दी थी कोमल टू जस्ट प्रैंक ऑन यू, दैट्स व्हाई वी कॉल यू। ओके,
आप कौन फर्स्ट?
हेलो।
हेलो.
हेलो,
आप कौन?
कोमल से बात कर रहे क्या?
नहीं, आप कौन?
सॉरी मैं जयराज बात कर रहा हूँ।
अच्छा.
क्या हुआ, तुम सीरियस समझ लिए?
नहीं.
अब नाराज ना कहो, ये वीडियो भी बंद कर दिया। अब बोलो,
कुछ भी नहीं.
फिर क्या समझे? अमेजोन से कॉल आते कि
हाँ, फिर Amazon में
बुरा मारे क्या?
म्यूजिक
तुम्हारे वॉइस में उदासी दिख रही जी।
नहीं, कुछ नहीं, लाइट.
अरे